Hello everyone, good evening. Hello. Again live with one more beautiful session. अभी हमारा थोड़ा पिछला सेशन रह गया है, उसको भी हम कंप्लीट करेंगे. मैं तभी लाइव आ पाती हूँ जब दूसरा सेशन प्लान होता है ना. Come, join fast everyone. Hello Priya ma'am, hi. Hello Sushma ma'am, hello Ramya ma'am, hi. लेट मी शेयर द लिंक. सब आप लोग भी पूछ रहे हो मैम कहाँ पर है सेशन, मैम कहाँ पर है ना. गुड इवनिंग. हाय श्रीति मैम, आई एम फाइन, हाउ आर यू. प्लीज शेयर दिस सेशन. Okay, that's good. So today we are going to make a very beautiful bottle art again, and now onward at least we will make 4 to 5 bottles continuously. With different patterns and different designs. ओके चलो आज हम अपना सेशन कंटिन्यू करते हैं. Okay. So here we have bottles. So you can take any bottle of your choice. Okay, whatever bottle available with you, you can use. This is empty bottle. Okay, and remove all the tags and all the tags and whatever thing around the neck, you have to remove it properly. Okay. Like here we have some extra part at the neck portion, so we will remove this also. Okay, now take mold it. Okay, mold it or any other clay, whatever available with you, you can take that. Okay, mix them properly. Take equal amount of red packet and black packet. That is, one is resin and one is hardener. You have to mix them properly. Hello, Mansi ma'am. Hi. So see, here we have bottle, and what you have to do, you have to clean the bottle properly clean it. Okay. And if you want, you can color it. I am not gonna to color it. Okay. And to make pattern on the bottle, you can, what can you do? Wait, I will tell everything. To make manually and to make with mold as well, both way. Okay, so if you have this mold, so many of you have this mold, because so many have you of you taken with me. So what you have to do, just make pattern like this, mesh pattern with the mold. Okay, and so use this mold to just make your work fast and easy. Okay, like this. We will take it out and see how beautiful pattern of this leaf will came out. See here, we have a ornated leaf pattern. Okay, like this, and you can directly stick it on the bottle with the help of glue. Okay, fabric glue like this. Okay, and see how beautiful pattern it is. है ना? ऐसे सारे पूरे बॉटल में आप लगा सकते हो. ठीक है? जितना हमारा mesh है, whatever mesh we have on the bottle, you can just do like this and fix it on the bottle, all over the bottle. Then for bird part, here I have bird mold. Okay, bird mold. Hello Neha ma'am. So we have to fill the clay inside the bird mold like this. This mold also so many of you have. So you can make like this. Okay, so you have to take out with the mold, and you can see the bird is ready with us to fix on the bottle. I already fixed. See here, I have fixed these birds on the bottle. You can see here. ठीक है, मैंने ऑलरेडी फिक्स करके रखी है क्योंकि इसको ड्राई करना था मुझे. So that's why I want them to dry completely before work. So I have already fixed them on the bottle. Okay. Now for next step, okay, here you also have this mold, so many of you. So you have to make this kind of topper to attach on the bottle neck. ठीक है, बॉटल के नेक में लगाने के लिए हमें इस तरीके के टॉपर्स चाहिए होंगे जो बॉटल में लग जाए. ठीक है, तो ये भी आपको बना लेना है बॉटल के टॉप में लगाने के लिए. Okay, so I will leave it to dry. Okay, I'm leaving them to dry. ऐसे बाकी हम आगे का काम करते हैं. हैंड पेंटेड कैसे करना है अब यहाँ पे birds you can see here I have fixed the birds. Now on the background mesh you can make it freehand also, so you have to take to make a cone you can take marble powder. Okay, marble powder, mix Fevicol and little bit of water. Okay, ये मैंने बनाया था, थोड़ा सा थिक हो रहा है तो थोड़ा सा इसमें आई एम मिक्सिंग लिटिल बिट मोर वाटर. Marble powder, Fevicol and little bit water, not too much. Okay, and you can store it in a airtight container for further use as well. But now it's summer season, so only store like make to work it for 4 to 5 days only. Marble powder paste. Okay, because later on it start getting little bit thick in summers, but winters we can. Okay, see, and take any poly bag and we will refill this paste. And tightly secure the neck part. देखो ये यहाँ से कहीं से फटी है क्या? आई थिंक यस, सी ये यहाँ से हमारी ना फटा हुआ है पॉली बैग. लेट मी फर्स्ट इसको जरा हम पेस्ट कर लें. Okay. Now we will just make hole. Uh, 1:2 ratio, ma'am. For what 1:2 ratio, Ramya, ma'am? This is marble powder and Fevicol paste. Okay. And now I'm going to make mesh pattern with this. है ना, जो इसमें हमारे पैटर्न बने ना, एक्सेप्ट बर्ड्स वी हैव. सो मैं अभी इसमें बनाने वाली हूँ. Okay, like this. Randomly here and there you have to make. There is no specific pattern. Only scallop and like this kind of pattern is there. You can make this with mold it also if you want. Okay, so like this. Make these patterns with the help of this paste. And complete all over the bottle in this way. Marble powder you can get in any shop, nearby shop. Okay, जो भी like in paint shop also you can get. Okay, so like this you complete the pattern, and tomorrow it will get dry, then we will do further work. Okay, I will share this pattern with you all once I will complete the bottle by this kind of patterning. Hello, Sangeeta ma'am. Okay, see, you have to apply thick paste. No, no, for one Fevicol, half, one. No, 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 no. Take marble powder like this. You have to take marble powder at least 3 to 4 spoon, then 1 spoon of Fevicol, and then 1 spoon of water like this. Consistency you will get to know when you will mix it. It is a paste like a toothpaste. There is no accurate marble powder consistency paste, when you will mix it, because all the marble powder have a different granules. Okay, so water and mixing of water and Fevicol is depend upon that how much water and Fevicol they are soaking. So like that, no one can tell you the consistency. When you will mix it, then only you will get to know that how much water required. And Fevicol, I can tell you that Fevicol just mix like in 3 or 4 spoon of marble powder, mix 1 spoon of Fevicol, and then water you have to mix accordingly to the granules, that how much water they are using. See, lower side it is done. Sorry, upper side. Now I'm gonna to complete lower portion as well. Okay, so like this. Isn't it beautiful? It is looking beautiful like this as well, with white work. That clay leaves you made, no, where are they? Clay leaves means not getting your point, Sriniti ma'am. Ah, oh la la. See, there it is getting white when I'm putting powder on the back side. So leaving it like this only. Further color we will do tomorrow because I cannot put it like this, or not even can work by putting on the bottom as well. See, here is it. When it will get dry, then I will fix the other bottle. You wait. The clay leaves you made, no, where are they? Clay leaves? Other bottle, I'm not getting which bottle. Can ceramic powder be used? Yes, Ramya ma'am, ceramic powder also can be used. Okay. But that clay leaf you made, no, where are they? Clay leaves मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं याद आ रहा. What type of paste? This Meena ma'am, it's a marble powder paste. Okay, marble powder paste. I'm completing it like this way by putting it straight in this way. A leaf mold. Okay. I told that at the beginning, na? So you can use these leaves mold as well to decorate the pattern on your bottle, or like this. The way I am making. Okay, now I'm getting Shinti ma'am. Molded one. Huh? Which I made very first at the beginning of the session. Correct? So that will make your work. Yes, Ramya ma'am, you can use ceramic powder and the ratio will be the same. Okay? Okay. See, it is done. Our bottle is done. Oops, it's tight. Ay, ay, ay. I'm not able to open it. कैसे खोलूं इसको? Yeah. Open. Yes, yes. These molds are multi-purpose. You can use them for resin. You can use them for clay, for baking as well. So many options. You can use them. Okay, it will take time to dry. अभी मेरा रूम तो बहुत फैला हुआ है, मुझे कुछ चीज नहीं मिल रही यहाँ पर। चलो कल ही दिखाऊंगी। कल ही दिखाऊंगी, है ना। Okay, leaving it to dry. Then tomorrow we will color this one. Okay, see, here is the look of this bottle. Binding this session and see you all in next session. Bye.